Selamat datang ke Sungai Hulu Langai.
Tempat yang menarik dan indah. This is the power of nature. See how beautiful the water is here. So crystal clear. Hope this will be preserved for the future generation as well. You can't see this anymore like this in Kajang. All the river in Kajang has just been polluted.
Oh, that's like
So this is beautiful, man. Okay guys, peace out. So we meet again in another sungai, I guess.